How to draw Motherhood Celtic knot. I am going to draw this Celtic knot in my Tangle Marathon Journal in the knots and weaving section. As you can see, I have drawn lots of other patterns and knots in this section. You can check out the playlist for all those patterns. Now let's draw the motherhood knot. As you know, Celtic knots have no beginning and no end. That's why they symbolizes the eternal cycle of life, death and rebirth. And this Motherhood Celtic knot, it represents the unbreakable bond between a mother and her child. After drawing this knot with the pencil, now I am tracing it with the Micron 80 pen. And after the tracing, I am going to give it a little character. So that I am going to give some weight to the line. Not everywhere, but at some places, so it looks much prettier. You can design it and enhance it the way you want. You can use this symbol in various ways. This is a perfect symbol to create a Mother Day artwork. Like you can create handmade greeting card, or you can create mandalas with that knot. As you can see, I have made lots of mandalas with different other knot, like the heart knot, trinity knot, dara knot and various others. You can find all these mandala drawing videos at my YouTube channel. Link is on the top right corner. If you want to see more other Mother Day artwork, you can check out the link on the top right corner. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.